Okay, so I'm sure all of us hate school, but not just school. I feel like the reason most of us hate school is because of one subject. And I think we all know what subject I'm talking about. I'm talking about fucking math. Okay? I feel like the main reason why kids say they quote unquote hate school is because they actually fucking hate math. And you know what, man? I'm just not gonna hit any fucking bullets. Okay, as I was saying, I feel like kids hate fucking math. I feel like that's the main reason. And let me explain, okay? So I am in high school, okay? And so I walked into class today, and I was tired as fuck, almost fell asleep, and she's teaching, right? So I'm just trying to stay awake so I can see what the fuck she's teaching, okay? Managed to stay awake throughout the whole class, okay? So she teaches us this shit, and she's teaching us all this fucking equation shit and fucking graphing and crap, and I was mad as fuck 'cause I hate graphing. And eventually, wait, it was actually yesterday, sorry, but eventually she says, okay, tomorrow, so today, we will be doing a new thing or whatever. And yeah, so I was like, okay, let's go. No fucking graphs. So fast forward to today, and we are learning this new like subject thing or whatever. And turns out it's easy as fuck. You know, it's just solving equations. And so I saw, like, you know, I did the homework. You know, I fucking did shit on it, and then she explained it the next day, and I fucking destroyed it. You know, she explained it, and I was doing all this equation shit correctly, and I was fucking destroying it. Then all of a sudden, okay, okay, this one equation pops up. I don't know how to solve it. I was like, fuck it, I'm just not gonna do it. Well, on to the next one. It's the exact same thing, just different numbers. I was like, shit. Next one, exact same thing, just different numbers. It's like, what the fuck? You never taught us this. So I'm looking through my notes, can't find shit. And then eventually I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna Google it. So I Google this bitch. Okay, I Google how to fucking do it. Nothing comes up. I type the equation in, and it just gives me the wrong fucking thing. Like, how'd you even get that from what I typed in? So eventually, in my head, I'm thinking, well, what do I do? What do I do when I can't even cheat? Like, what do you do on math if, like, you don't know the equation and you can't fucking cheat on it? What do you fucking do? Nothing. You give up. And that's what I was about to do. And I was like, okay, fuck it. I gotta do this. This is due tomorrow, and she's gonna ask for it. So, eventually, what the fuck am I shooting? What is this? Okay, anyways, I just took the numbers and started playing around with it. And I was like, okay, so this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. And eventually I figured it out. And so I figured it out, and, yeah. But here's the fucking problem, okay? Since I'm a freshman in high school, we were, quote-unquote, matured, okay? So you know what that means? Since we're, quote-unquote, matured, a.k.a. aged by 1 year since middle school, we get more responsibility. And what that responsibility is, learning something new in math every single day. So if I thought this was hard, what's going to happen is she's going to give me, like, she's going to add on to it. She's going to add more shit. And by the way, it's guaranteed to be homework every single fucking day. Like today, like all she did was explain how to do it, went over the homework, and then boom, she gave us a fucking worksheet, told us to fill it out. So since she went fast today, we had 20 fucking minutes to do the whole thing. So I get like 2 or 3 equations done, and I get stuck on one. I was like, fuck, I'm doing it as homework. Pack that shit up, and I just waited. So even with 20 fucking minutes, we still don't have enough time to finish all of it. Like, 20 fucking minutes is a lot of time. That's almost half an hour. And half an hour, you know, is like half a fucking hour, you know? And so it's like, well, you may be thinking, well, if you packed up, then that's your fault for not finishing, right? No, I packed up, and the second I finished packing up, it was time to fucking go. Like, the bell rung. And so, like, also, another thing I don't fucking like is she was teaching, and she was explaining how to do all of it and shit. And she was like, I'm noticing only like 3 kids are looking up and actually paying attention. Like, some of the kids here are wondering why you don't get the answer on. It's probably because you should be paying attention. It's like, no, we're all doing the fucking homework because it's fucking what's it called? Fucking it's a worksheet, you know? It's a sheet. Like, I'm taking a look at this bitch. I got a front, a back, a front, and another back. I got 4 pages of shit to do, and it's like, of course I'm gonna do it in fucking class while you're teaching. Like it's so genius. Like doing homework in class while she's teaching it. It's like a live action fucking cheat. It's like a live action cheat sheet. If the fucking cheat sheet was actually a person, you know, it's like. It's easier because she's explaining to you how to do the equations you're stuck on while you're doing the fucking equations you're stuck on, you know? Anyways, I feel like that's the main reason why kids, which, you know, me, hate school. Like, I don't necessarily hate it. It's just fucking math that I hate. Like, English, you know, it's fucking English. You know, I can do English. English is fucking... English is English. I speak English, you know? And then social studies. Social studies is always an thing. Fuck social studies. But math. Math is fucking... I hate math. Like, the only time math could be considered fun is if it's a topic that every kid understands. Like, here. I don't want everyone to get the wrong idea, okay? But math, like, it can be fun if they're giving you, like, if they show you exactly how to do it and you're getting it right every single fucking time. Like, that's when it's fun, because it's like, oh, watch me do this. I can solve this and this and this and this. But, like, once, like, what's happening was, since we're doing equations, there's multiple, like, formulas for these equations, and I was getting stuck on a different formula for it. And it's like, what the fuck? So that's like studying really fucking hard for a test, and then you get half of it right, and then the shit that you were studying hard for, you get fucking wrong. Like, no wonder I fucking got it wrong, even though I studied for it. It's like, no fucking chance. You know, I got half of it right, and I studied for that. You know what I mean? But, yeah, that's when it's not fun. When you're trying your fucking hardest, and you're still failing. It's like, you're putting forth 100%, and you're still failing. You're fucking cheating, and you're still failing. Like, that shouldn't be a fucking thing. That's when it gets boring as shit. Okay? Now, at this point, I'm just repeating myself. And, yeah. But, point is, pay attention in math class. You should be chilling. Also, be nice to your math teachers, because math teachers are cool as shit if you can let them be cool. You know, like my math teacher, she's pretty fucking cool. If you like, let her be cool, though. But, yeah. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I might post, today's Tuesday. I might post like Thursday or Friday. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one.